Hi guys, just thought I'd post up a quick video just chatting about what I've got on my workbench at the moment. So these are a pair of diesel Safado jeans. They do have a slight elastine content in them, which is nice when they're new because they're nice and soft and they fit well, but then they are prone to this type of thing happening. Sometimes the crotches go underneath there, the seat's gone on the front. I'm going to have to repair that for him. But obviously the main part that looks the worst is the back seam has completely come apart. So I'm going to put a new piece of fabric on the inside, and then we're going to do some darning and oversew work over this, and then blend it in and reinforce it all, so that'll be repaired nicely for him with no dramas. It'll come out nice and discreet. If you want to see before and after pictures of it, you can check out my Instagram account at the Denim Doctor 69. Alternatively, the website is www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk. If you want to hit me an email, it's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. If you've got any questions, or if you want a quote or anything for some repair work or alteration work that you need doing. So I do work on diesel jeans quite a bit because they do tend to put elastine in quite a lot of their jeans, and it does make it prone to go in the usual spots. So it tends to go around the pocket edges. I can see that this one is starting to do it. They go on the pocket edges sometimes. Sometimes they go around where the belt loops are. The crotch is a big point of where it starts to wear out. This gentleman said they're 6 months old, so they're not even that old. And when they cost over £100 for a pair, you do expect them to be lasting a bit longer than this. But you know, obviously some people do wear them every day, so it's going to make them wear out quicker than, you know, if you're rotating them and stuff. So not having a go at diesel at all. It's just obviously when they put this elastine inside them, it in the denim, it does make them prone to things like this happening. It's a big rips happening. But don't worry, I can fix them for you. So drop me a DM, drop me an email, and I can fix them. Don't worry, the Denim Doctor can fix them for you. So get in touch. Yeah. Also, I do not on these specific ones, these are quite slim, but I do taper jeans as well. If you've got ones that are a bit of a boot cut, I can slim them down for you in the leg and make them look nice and original. Put all the original thick stitching back. I've got all the original cottons in stock. So get in touch, yeah. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Comment below and share the video, yeah. Thanks very much. Thank you.